Hello, welcome to Boy vs. Wild. They have dropped me off in the middle of the Mongolian desert. I mean jungle, whatever. Okay? So, there's no civilization for 3,000 miles. So, there's three kind of foods that I would like to eat today.
Sorry, I'll turn it on.
Okay, like I was saying, there's only three kinds of food that you are allowed to eat. And there's only 3,000 foods. Or, I mean, three. Okay, I messed up bad.
No, it's funny! Keep going!
Really bad. There's only three types of food here. Dirt, some bricks that you might find, I don't know, from people thousands of years ago, maybe off the Great Wall of China, and pine cones, which are my favorite. They're the best delicacy from them. Okay? Here's dirt right here. I'm just going to find some good stuff. Right here. This is perfect. This is the kind of dirt that you want, and you just kind of stick it in your mouth and then swallow it. Got a little pine leaf in there. Ooh, pine cones. This is my favorite. They're the best. So they're very hard to tear off. Maybe you can pull it off with your finger. Okay. Keep going. And bricks from the Great Wall of China. Perfect. I love these. This is great. Okay, save these for later. Let's keep walking. Like I was saying, there's no civilization for 3,000 miles. So don't even look over there, because that's nothing that you need to see. Okay? And there's wild boar. There's wild boar in here. So got to keep on it down there. Okay? Now we're walking, and sometimes you find mushrooms out here, which I don't know if I'll be able to find any. So just in case, I'm going to look for mushrooms. Oh, perfect. I think there might be one on the stick right here. I guess there isn't. Wonder where one is. Looks like there's a mushroom attached to this stick though. So. Here you go, Petey. Okay. Look for a mushroom. That's just one of our campers. I guess there's no mushrooms, but they are very good, even though they're poisonous. So, yeah. Hey, I think I see one. I see one. Where'd it go? I just saw it. No, I guess I just saw it. I'm getting very hungry. Look, I found mushrooms. What are you doing? Look, I found a mushroom and some tapeworm. My favorite. Except tapeworm is kind of... Actually, I'm eating the tapeworm first. I'm eating it. Okay, that was very good. Okay, now I'm going to eat the mushroom because I'm still very hungry. So.